So I have a question about micro SD cards. I have a 128 SD card. I usually use it for my drone and taking video and pictures. So today I pretty much cleared everything out, but 15 gigs. I left some pictures I didn't have time to move to my external hard drive. On here it says it's currently using 44 gigs on there. So I go here, nothing. Um, Click this file here. Hold on. Zero, nothing, free. Um, this is the only file that has any files or any gigs on it here left. This is the one I haven't moved over. 15 gigs here. That's it. Now, people in the comments are going to jump, well, you know, when you're using DJI drones, they save a bunch of junk. I deleted all that. I deleted all the background files that pretty much are useless. Probably the reason why the U.S. government is trying to ban DJI. All the files that we have no idea what they're used for, and they just randomly get saved. And I deleted all that. They're absolutely not on there. Can anyone tell me why, if there's only actual 15 gigs on my left on my card, as you can see, there's still 44 gigs on there being used? If anyone can help me with that, please let me know.